Hello everyone and welcome to the review of Rainforest Ranch 4.5 stars hotel. We hope you enjoy the video and consider subscribing to our channel for more hotel reviews in the future. You can also book your visit through booking.com. You can easily find the link in the description box. Rainforest Ranch 4.5 stars hotel in Byfield, Australia with a new US travel directory. Hidden away in a scheduled rainforest setting, these luxury cottages feature a clawfoot bathtub and king-size bed. The outdoor swimming pool and hot tub are surrounded by beautiful tropical gardens. Each cottage at Rainforest Ranch includes a spacious living area with satellite TV and DVD player. It also includes a kitchenette with full-size refrigerator and microwave. Air conditioning and a wood-fired heater are provided. Guests can enjoy a massage by the pool or in privacy of their cottage. Free car parking is available next to each cottage. The landscaped gardens feature shared barbecue facilities situated on the edge of Byfield National Park. Rainforest Ranch is a 25-minute drive from Yeppoon and 50 minutes drive from Rockhampton. Rainforest Ranch, Byfield Hotels, Australia. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends.